Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with HubSpot for CRM integration with no-code apps. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the HubSpot website by typing www.hubspot.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, locate the Get Started Free button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the Get Started Free button. You will be directed to the Sign Up page. Here, enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements displayed. Choose your business's name and enter it in the appropriate box. Next, select your country from the drop-down menu. Then, fill in your phone number for verification purposes. Click on the Get Started or Continue button to proceed. You may receive an email from HubSpot to verify your account. Check your inbox and open the email from HubSpot. Click on the verification link within that email. After your email is verified, you will be asked to complete your profile. Fill out any additional information required, such as company size and industry. Once completed, click on the Next button. Now, focus on setting up your CRM. You'll be asked to choose the type of CRM tools you want to integrate. Select the options that suit your needs best. HubSpot will then guide you through the initial setup of your CRM dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard features. To integrate with no-code apps, search for the Integrations option in the menu. Click on the Integrations tab to view available options. You can browse through or search for specific no-code apps you want to integrate. Once you find an app, click on it for details. Follow the prompts to connect your app with HubSpot. Ensure you grant the necessary permissions for seamless integration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.